Hello and welcome again on Stocks Advisors channel. In today's episode, we will talk about Inovio Pharmaceuticals Incorporated, traded at Nasdaq, ticker name INO. Well, INO 2 days ago announced about closing of their public offering, and actually for a company with 2.55 billion market capitalization, we see a really significant move that took place after this news. And actually we see three big white candles in a row, and today's one was with some very significant also upward shadow here. So it means that and it bounced down from moving average 200, so it looks like moving average 200 might work as kind of resist level here. Also further, it did work today, and also it did work like that previously. We see examples by mid of November, December, so this is possible as well. But most of all, what is important that looks like the chart is returning to its positive move, and the announcement of offering closure was also done and very nice from technical point of view momentum, because if you look here at the declining trend that was seen here really long time, let's call it R1, was making a triangle with let's say the bottom trend, almost triangle with the bottoming price trend, and immediately then it actually worked out and resolved by piercing of R1 level, this news, which is good. It means that this triangle trend is now broken, so we can see some interesting opportunities here. So to understand those, let's do analysis here to see how to trade with INO. First of all, as always, at our daily charts, we have here three moving averages depicted: green, blue, and red line being moving averages 20, 50, and 200 correspondingly. Here on the left, you see their legends. So first of all, what is important to note here that after declining altogether and kind of waving around each other, moving average 20 and 50, now moving average 20 starts to grow upwards. So it was also pierced from the bottom. So what we could see here is a classical situation when moving average 20 will go high, and will pierce from the top moving average 50, making so-called delayed magic cross up, and by that time the price action will decline probably, and then altogether also price action could go even lower than moving average 20. By that time altogether they will go up and pierce even higher heights. So this is a classical reversive pattern. We can see it. Something similar took place, for example, in November. You see the price declined, then went up, but then it was not able to pierce further because R1 and moving average 200, they create here double support. Two times the price action was trying to pierce it, but not able. So now we are returning to this, and it might be we will pierce because R1 was pierced one. So we're piercing here these two resist lines one by one. So R1 was already pierced, now moving average 200 to be pierced. But before that, some healthy pullback is possible, and this opens for us entry opportunities. So how then to play here? You can already see that there was a lot of volume trade today, so the situation for with short selling is very possible here. And also RSI wise, the price went really high up, almost touching overbought area. This also means that there are many people with profit already in the stock, so they might start selling also in the second half of the week. So the RSI might be a little bit spiky here, and bringing some volatility. If you think of MACD wise, well, it's starting a secondary wave here. It's not that decisive. It could still continue going high or reduce. So you cannot conclude any cause of action or any, let's say, trend from RSI behavior, from MACD behavior here. So we will need to rely mostly on resist support levels. But again, volatility is expected here, and within this volatility we can start entering. This could be very interesting levels, and if you think of those, of course, the very first level to enter here and to play would be this obvious level between, let's call it S1, S2, and here you can buy already within this channel. So, and then it would be also by the moment that all these volatilities will start, and most probably will try to return, because R1 now will work as an attractor of the price. The price might bounce on it a little bit, maybe below a little bit than S1, S2, but then we should recover. So if this is going to take place with immediate recovery, S1, S2 would be nice entry opportunity. If bouncing on R1 will take longer and we will decline a bit further, then of course you can start with entry at another levels. Again, it's not expected to go there, but as always, we discuss these opportunities. So by that time, it would be actually these support levels, and it will be S3, S4 then, and it will be, if the price continues sliding down together with R1, actually it will be here. And then we should start rebouncing. Should we go really further lower down, of course, then now R2 will work as our, let's say, final level for support. And of course, then anything below R2 and up to this level, it will be very narrow. Here will be immediate buy on these levels. So with this being said, actually, we know now how to play here. Here it will be still the more, let's say, precautious way of playing. So it's 1, 1, 2, meaning that the money you would like to play here, you can split in 4, and then you can buy with one portion already. If price slides down, you can buy again with one portion, and if it goes even further, we can buy again with 2 portions as a final average down according to the entry levels described here with dark circles. This way it will be best optimization of profit versus loss. And speaking of making quick profit, of course, the first price target, especially from the S1, S2 level, would be the moving average 200. Then some volatility might start there. It would be advised to sell if you just want to make 10, maybe 15, up to 15% profit. That's always what we advise at our channel. But we never discuss exit opportunities because our, let's say, fixed profit taking is 10%. If it's fast moving chart, 15%, not more, because we always post daily many stocks. We analyze many stocks. We rather go to trade at another one, develop positive trading experience, a learning experience. It's always better than trying to become rich from one trade. It's usually not possible. It's kind of a recipe for disaster, and the reason why many traders actually fail in their first year of trading experience. So up to you, but we propose this kind of strategy and profit taking. We also post many videos daily, so you can find there something else. So with this being said, this is quite easy situation with INO to trade, easy entry, very nice moving stock. But still, as always, for any stock, you don't need to forget about 3 letters that can kill or kiss any FDA stock, any pharmaceutical stock, and this is called FDA. So if any FDA news comes, of course, then any technicality is cancelled, and then it's purely news-driven drive. So with this disclaimer given, Inovio now is working very nice from technical point of view and is piercing upwards, so you can make some nice trade here. So with this being said, good luck with it. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you didn't do so already. And by the way, you can also find us at various social medias like Facebook, Instagram. You can also find our free mobile application. Please see in the description to this video. It's also called Stocks Advisor. Momentarily only available for Android devices, but soon we will also make a version for iOS. And with this free mobile application, you can always see latest 14 videos uploaded to our channel without directly checking it yourself manually at YouTube. So please follow us also on social media. Let's stay connected. This way you will not miss new discussions, new opportunities, and maybe possibilities to make new profits for US-based stocks.